I'm Marina, and I'm the hands behind Draw with Marina. While my main content is all about teaching you how to draw and procreate, I occasionally venture off and share with you the latest tech gadgets, and this is one of them. So this post is not sponsored in any way. I purchased this with my own money. Meet the Oura Ring 4. It caught my attention because of its sleek design and advanced health tracking features. With improved sensors for sleep monitoring, heart rate variability, and readiness scores, it offers a comprehensive look at my wellness without the bulk of a smartwatch. Its discreet yet powerful design makes it perfect for 24/7 wear, and the added temperature tracking is a great bonus. I love the idea of having real-time insights into my health in such a minimal and stylish form. But first things first, you need to get the Oura Ring Sizer. So I'm in Canada and I ordered mine from Best Buy. They do have testers at the Oura Ring kiosk, but I highly recommend you buy it and wear it for a few days. The testers are also tethered to a cord, so it's really hard to gauge in 10 seconds whether or not your finger is going to fit, or not to mention how many times your fingers swell up and down during the day. So I want to wear it on my dominant right hand middle finger. I felt like I was in between a size 6 or 7. So I wore both of them for a few days, morning to night, to test them out. The size 6, as it turns out, was a tad too tight and very uncomfortable when I slept because my fingers fluctuate in size so many times during the day, so I decided to size it up. Now, the reason I did not buy my Oura Ring from Best Buy was because their customer service told me that once I opened it, I cannot return it due to hygiene issues. I knew that if I purchased it from OuraRing.com, they allow for refunds. Also, you could score $40 off if you're a Lululemon member, which also is free, by the way. And just note that there is a subscription cost, which I think is about $5.99 US per month, but hey, I'm sure we spend double that per day on Starbucks. They shipped it from the Netherlands, and while I was worried about duty, there was none. Now, I was humming and hawing about which one to get, the Black Stealth or the Brushed Silver, and after watching about 1,000 YouTube videos and reading Reddit comments on how the Black Stealth scratches absolutely everything under the sun, not to mention that the ring itself is more susceptible to scratches, I finally decided to get the Brushed Silver. Now onto the app itself. It's very intuitive. It has a top bar up here you could customize. It shows your readiness, sleep, stress, activity, heart rate, and for women, cycle day. It tracks your activity goals, and these are just all of the main parts, and you can click in it to get more data. So my activity is not really good today. My daytime stress right now, it says I was really stressed 19 minutes ago, probably because I sprained my ankle a couple weeks ago, and that is why I'm not moving as much. So if I click on the stress, it tells you, I guess, by hour or every maybe 15-minute increments, it has like these spikes, and you can correlate why you were stressed by adding a little tag here. They have some prompts that you can tag, or you could create your own, and it tells you how long it took you to restore that. Also has a little deep breath meditation from Headspace, and it tells you also just your history of your stress. And usually in the morning, I check it quickly. It'll tell me how my day is going to be. Although, I really don't use this as a Bible to do my activities, but it just gives me a glimpse of how I slept the night before. And then also the body temperature. I noticed that I was really hot a couple of nights. And if I click on one of these ones, and it's just going to give you a little description of that area. And my sleep from last night, again, I slept a total of 6 hours and 14 minutes. And the sleep score, according to Oura, is 66. And it also shows you your REM and your deep sleep. And my latency was good, which was 6 minutes, which is basically the time it takes you to actually fall asleep. And what's really good about this app is it pairs with Apple Health. If you are taking a walk, for instance, and you forgot to bring your phone, it'll automatically come up with a prompt that says, did you walk today or did you do an activity? And all you have to do is just log that in. So overall, the Oura Ring is honestly one of my favorite tools for keeping track of my health, obviously besides my Apple Watch, but I really like using this because it's easier to sleep with. Plus, the app feels really clean and easy to use, and it even has things like guided breathing and cycle tracking. So it's like having a personal wellness coach in your wallet. For more drawing tutorials and gadget reviews, be sure to subscribe to Draw with Marina.